As a nutrition and dietetics student at Dominican University, I've had the opportunity to create my own menu for Recipe Box Cafe and create my own product for experimental foods. Recipe Box Cafe is a class where we build our own menu and then we actually bring it to life by cooking it and serving it to people who want to come in and try our meals. It's a very fun class. I love to see all of my classmates' recipes and menus come to life. The industry showcase is for the students who are in Nutrition 390, which is experimental foods, which is a very fun class. We make our own recipe basically of something that you would potentially see on shelves in grocery stores, healthier version of it. And then comes time for the industry showcase where we pitch it to them like we're actually a brand trying to get our names, our product into grocery stores, which is fun. DU Feeds is our on-campus food pantry that was created to help try to fight food insecurity for our students on campus. I definitely recommend the nutrition program. Every class you take is taught by the same couple of instructors, so it's you really get that great teacher-student connection with them. The minute I put in my application, they were calling me hey, come work with us. What can we do for you? And I was like, oh my gosh, you guys are so nice. I love you guys here. I decided to come back to Dominican for my master's in nutrition and dietetics. The biggest reason is because I already have such a good relationship with all the instructors, and I wanted to ensure that when I did my master's that I felt comfortable and I just enjoyed it still. Nutrition has helped me and I want to use my knowledge to help others as well.